Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Merly. In today's video, I will give you a quick tip on how to fertilize your seedlings. This applies to tomatoes, peppers, and some other seedlings that you are growing. These tomato seedlings are 19 days old, and as you can see, they have very nice leaves, green, and you can see in here this one has a set of true leaves already. So I have fertilized these seedlings using an organic fertilizer, specifically the Alaska fish fertilizer. So this one in here is a mixture of the fish fertilizer that I made. Because the seedlings are very small, you don't want to fertilize it with the full strength fertilizer that you usually give your big plants. So what I did was I look at the label, and then it says in there that for vegetables you'll have to use 2 tablespoons per gallon of water, and I used a quarter of that. So I used half tablespoon of the fish fertilizer. I put it in this jug, and then I added water. So, and then I just pour that right here on the sides, and I have, as you can see, I left a couple spaces here. So this is where I usually pour my fertilizer. These plants are good for now. I'll just have to watch this for the yellowing of the leaves. You don't have to put fertilizer very often. I usually just add the fertilizer when I see that the plants or the seedlings need it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, write them down below in the comment section. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!